What's up, YouTube? I just got my tooth pulled out, so I got something for you guys. It's a gift from Florida. Shout out your street, real cars. Oh, what the? Ooh, bro. Let's go. Best there is. You know where this guy is gonna go. See that? We need more. Oh my god. Look, goosebumps. This turbo is a 6266 precision. Damn. Then let's spin it. This is gonna mark up to this. Come on, follow me. Oh, actually, it's okay. I can bring it right here. Damn! Damn! That's a badass piece. Hell yeah. I'm gonna swap this in pretty soon, so maybe in a couple of days we'll have this thing in that bad boy there. Okay, this is big, right? There's a really big one. Damn. So, see? That's why I bought that. Because this is just too big. Let's spin them. 1, 2, 3, go. Beautiful.
So, last video, it's all motor. I'm gonna put a little snail right here, as we've been trying to do, but I just been trying to get the parts. So now I basically have about 90% of the parts. So what we have here is a 6266 position. Sheesh. Thank you, Real Street Performance, for fast shipping. And right here is a custom sidewinder from Just Tig. If you guys want one of these things, go look them up on IG. Look at this, all ported. Thank you, buddy, for making this for me. It was a pretty affordable price. It's pretty sick. And we got new slicks so we can launch a little harder. 24.5 by 8 by 13s. Got them all bowed. Used one, but you know, my buddy only used it for like, he said like 2 passes. So they're basically brand new. We're gonna unbox something today. You guys wanna see? Speed Factory, baby. Let's do this. Let's go. Gotta have the sweater. Let's open this bad boy up. Never seen this before, first time. Thank you, Speed Factory. You guys are awesome. I had to order one of these, man. This shit looks sick. Ooh. Jesus. Speed Factory, large for the big boy like me. Jeez. Alright, damn, this is nice. So, we got a brand new Speed Factory, let's see, 4-bar, red. It's one of their new ones. Pretty sick. Wow, what is this? Oh, see, this is the mount for the for the boost controller, Speed Factory boost controller. Speed Factory titanium burnt turbo header studs. Sick. These things are sick. And again, with the burnt titanium header exhaust bolts. We're gonna get them all brand new. Damn, they come with the washers too. That's impressive. That's a nice looking setup. Oh! Speed Factory, baby! Damn! This goes right here. I might have to take this thing out, but yeah, somewhere right here. Damn! Huge! That's legit. Speed Factory. Only the best, boy. So we got another part right here. Oh. Again. Speed Factory rear bumper diffuser. Damn. This car is coming a long way. It's sexy. So yeah, that's it for now, I think. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one when I get the rest of the parts so we could install the turbo setup in there. So, got more parts today. Turbo Smart. I'll tag you guys. We got 3 stuff in here. Oh my god. So, Turbo Smart. It is the waste 14 psi. Nice tool. Whoa, I love it. Always love the stickers. You know what? It's the best thing. Turbo Smart waste. Ooh. Oh man, she is a beauty. Whoo! Jesus Christ. Man, I'm shaking. This is a good looking piece. Wow. That's impressive. I mean, I kind of went with this route because I already used tile, and I wanted to use something different this time around. There we go. It's got all the parts in here. Pretty sick. Got a boost gauge, Turbo Smart. So you can see. Ooh. And another Turbo Smart. Block out if you guys want to get this part numbers right there. Open it. Ooh. Turbo Smart blow fan. What a beautiful piece. So yeah, everything Turbo Smart kind of matches. As you guys see. Check it out. Ooh. Brake touch line, so to blue and red. I just wanted to like have it kind of mimicking the color of the car, so it kind of matches, I guess. Might as well. I got one of these, so let me show you guys. Rosa oil pan. But last time we went out there at the back roads, I don't know if you guys seen the last video. We took off out there and my car is pretty low. I didn't know, and I did not put any more air into the car. So look, that means I'm really close to the ground. So when we were driving home, I didn't know there was like a bump out there in Mexico. So the car kind of burned out and hit the floor. As you guys can see, oh yeah, it's leaking right there. Now she's collecting oil. Damn, that's heavy. So we got a Russell oil tank for our K20. Ready for that boost. So right there, that's gonna be where the turbo is at, I think. Yep. Ooh, boy. This thing is fire. Damn. We're gonna try to build our garage a little better so we could work better in there. So, check it out.
What we got here?
Jack. Daytona edition. Harbor Freight special. So, let's check this bad boy out.
What's the price on this?
It wasn't too bad.
Like 119, 3-ton.
I think it was like
119, right?
140. I think it was 140. Cause at 3-ton.
Oh yeah, that's right. The Pittsburgh is 119.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now check this shit out. That shit looks fast, right? Check it out, YouTube. What's up? Yeah.
Oh, profile.
Go upgrade the little jack that we have.
Where is it?
Show him right there behind you.
Look at this. Old school. Your Jack Midget cars with it.
Let's check this one out.
What's
We got
this one?
another addition to our garage. Our Adventurous racing garage.
Father's Day present or what?
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
Boy, watch it.
Hey, are you sponsored, bro?
No.
Where'd you get it from?
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight?
Yeah. Look.
Are you sure you're not sponsored? We know you're not Milwaukee sponsored.
No.
We determined that.
No, not yet.
Are you US General sponsored?
Yes. Look at this shit. Yeah, this shit's crispy. What do you guys think? Sheesh. US General Special.
I think this is the one for the rear window on the hatchbacks.
Yeah, I'll use those.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how you upgrade that thing.
So what do you think?
This shit's gonna be sick. This thing has wheels on them, so I'll show you guys later when I put this together. So guys, we got our shop's tool assembled, ready to go. Our toolbox. Shout out to US General. Sheesh. Hey, we gotta work a little better, so we bought some tools for, you know, just something. More tools here, but we're gonna try to put this out there. But yeah, we're right here.
Hey, wait. I have a question. Are you sponsored by Harbor Freight?
No,
What about US General?
nope.
Ah, dude. Milwaukee is non-sponsored.
That's
Harbor
okay.
Freight.
It's alright.
It's alright.
We just gotta. Sometimes you just gotta buy it, you know.
What are you sponsored by? AMC?
Myself.
Shout out AMC or what?
Shout out AMC.
Shout out that guy.
AMC, baby. If you know, you know. AMC. That's it for now. I'm gonna get some more parts from my buddy Brian, so we can finish it. We gotta go get some neon fittings, some dash tans, and some oil feed line, some unicolor piping, and that should be it. Turbo should be ready to go, and we're gonna do some custom up pipe on it for the turbo setup. Catch you guys next time, and peace.